Hello there. Cheers. It's Friday. Thank God it's Friday. Not that it makes any difference. But I still have a party, a Zoom party. I thought that I would still do the letter J. So here's the New Year resolution I made for myself, which was just look up. You see that? You see that? Terrible. So just look up exercise number 1 is look up, stick your tongue out, relax your shoulder, point your tongue towards the ceiling. Left, right, 5 times. Do it 2-3 times and see the difference. If you enjoy kissing, if you have nobody or you have somebody to blow kisses to, blow 100 kisses to whoever. Perfect to get your jaws exercised. J for just look up when you're doing your homework. Remember this. Put your computer on a height. Read your book. Sitting down. Do those 2-3 times a day. Just look up. So cheers. Enjoy yourself. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Love you. Nutzaboutme. Subscribe. Comment. Give me suggestions. Bye.